people are searching silence, where do they find that silence? Does silence mean to be calm when someone is hurting you? The thoughts are bumping in your head, you're angry, you're frustrated, but you're calm, showing that you're not moved? Or does silence mean there is no thought at all in your mind and you're completely in the presence of divine? Or does silence mean to come down to the level of calmness in such a way that nothing really matters to you anymore? You know that there is chaos, that there is a lot of noise around, but still you're calm, you're satisfied, you are in that presence of divine. So most of the people who practice silence in difficult situation, when they're angry, they're not dealing with their anger. They're actually controlling the anger so that things don't go out of hand. But eventually, that anger grows inside you and kills you. So that is not silence. That is avoiding a situation. In that kind of a situation, it's better to have a conversation, a very calm and composed conversation, taking the other person's perspective and discussing it. Whereas, in a complete silence, you know that there are problems around. You know that someone is not listening to you. You know that there is anger inside you. But you let go. Let go in such a way that I have done my work. If someone is not ready to accept it, maybe it's not their fate. Leave it to God. Leave it to that complete silence, so that that noise doesn't disturb your inner silence. Meditation will take you to that inner comfortable silence. In this chaos, in this noise, you will be silent. Hope you are fine, here and healthy and peaceful. We'll meet again.